Good morning, students. Now we'll solve question number 1 of exercise 5.6. Question number 1. Name the type of the following triangles. A. Triangle with lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So this type of triangle in which all the three sides are different, this type of triangle is called as scalene triangle. So your answer will be now we'll do question number B. Question number B says triangle ABC with AB equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter. So what type of triangle is this? So first of all we'll draw an ABC. AB is 8.7 centimeter, AC is 7 centimeter. This is A, B and C, 7 centimeter, and BC is 6 centimeter. Since all the three sides are different in length, so it is called as scalene triangle. So here also the answer will be scalene triangle. Now we'll do question number C. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter. So this triangle is like this: PQR, and all the sides are of equal length. Each of this is of 5 centimeter. So this kind of triangle is called as equilateral triangle. Question number 1D says name the type of the triangle in the following triangles, and the triangle is a triangle DEF such that measure of angle D is equal to 90 degree. So how do we draw such triangle? We draw it like this. This is D, E, F, and measure of angle D is 90 degree. So a triangle in which one of the angle is 90 degree is called as right angled triangle. So answer will be right angled triangle. E. Triangle XYZ with angle Y is equal to 90 degree. And xy is equal to yz. Let this be angle y, let this be x, let this be z, x, y, z, such that xy is equal to yz, and this is 90 degree. This is right angle isosceles triangle. This triangle will have two names because its two sides are same. For such triangle we call them as isosceles triangle, and for right angle we call them as right angle triangle. Question number 1F. Name the type of the following triangles. Triangle LMN with measure of angle L is equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle M is equal to 30 degree. And measure of angle N is equal to 80 degree. So, will this type of triangle be possible? Let us draw one hypothetical triangle. Let this be 90 degree. Let this be 30 degree. Let this be 80 degree. We know that sum of all the angles, sum of all interior angles in a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. If you take any triangle and if you add all the three angles of the three vertices, then it should be equal to 180 degree. But here you will see that it is becoming more than 180 degree. If you add all these three, it will become how much? 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. 11 plus 9 will be 20. So this is 200 degree, which is not possible. This triangle is not possible. Now next we will be doing match the following. So before we do the match the following, let me make you remember the concepts about the triangle once again. If one of the angle is of 90 degree, then we call that triangle as right angle triangle. If all the angles are less than 90 degree, then we call them as acute angle. If any one of the angle is more than 90 degree, we call it as obtuse angle. Now about sides. If all sides are different, we call it as scalene triangle. If two sides are same but third side is not same, we call it as isosceles triangle. And if all sides are different, then we call it as scalene triangle. But if all sides are equal, we call it as equilateral triangle. Now based on these properties, next question will be there in the match the following. So we'll see this just now. In question number 2, we have to do the match the following. And in the match the following, if you will see the textbook, you will see that one sided the properties of triangle is given, and on the other side we write out the type of triangles. So in the type of triangles, I have kept the place blank so as to fill the right pair. Now, triangle in which three sides are of equal length will be called as equilateral triangle. Alright, so equilateral triangle is in which number? E. So this will be E. Equilateral triangle. Two sides of equal length, it will be isosceles triangle. So G, isosceles triangle. Third is all sides of different length will be A, scalene triangle. Fourth, three acute angles. So three acute angles will be F, acute angle triangle. One right angle. So it will pair up with D, right angle triangle. Six is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle will be obtuse angle triangle, and it can be paired with C, obtuse angle triangle. And seventh and the last, one right angle with two sides equal. One right angle with two sides equal. This will be B, isosceles right angled triangle. Now we'll do question number 3. In this question number 3, each triangle has two properties. According to those two properties, we have to write two different names for each triangle. Like, let us see this triangle. This triangle has two sides same, so we'll call it as isosceles triangle, and all the angles are less than 90 degrees, so it is acute angle triangle. So we'll write the two names as first acute angle triangle, and second is isosceles triangle. Similarly, in this triangle we will see that there is one right angle and none of the sides are same. So it is first right angle triangle, and also it is scalene triangle. In this, you will find that there is one obtuse angle more than 90 degree and two sides are equal. This side and this side is equal. So we can write it as first name obtuse angle triangle. Instead of writing triangle like this, you can also write like this in short form. Second, this is isosceles triangle because both sides are same. Isosceles triangle. In this question, this is right angle triangle and two sides are same. So we'll call it as first right angle triangle, and second isosceles triangle. In this, all the three, and the last one is one obtuse angle is there and none of the sides are of same length. So we'll write it as obtuse angle triangle, obtuse angled triangle, and second is scalene triangle. Now we'll do question number 4. So this is question number 4. It is a practical question in which you have to use matchsticks for drawing triangle. Now, with 3 matchsticks, if you are asked to draw a triangle, you can do it very easily. This is one matchstick, this is another matchstick, and is another matchstick. Yes, you can do it. With 4 matchsticks, not possible. Because for a triangle to be formed, 3 sides have to be there. But if you are given one extra side, then you will require 2 more sides which is not available. So you can make either with 3 matchsticks, or you can make with 6 matchsticks, or you can make with 12 matchsticks, or you can make with 18 matchsticks. So the number of matchsticks required will be multiples of 3. So 4 is not multiple of 3. So it is not possible. With 5, it is also not possible. With 6, yes, it is possible. You can double the side by increasing one matchstick. So I'll just make a double of this. 1 matchstick, 2 matchstick, 3 matchstick, 4 matchsticks, 5 matchstick, and 6 matchstick. See, 1 matchstick, 2 matchstick, 3 matchstick, 4 matchstick, 5 matchstick, and 6 matchstick. So I've just doubled this length, and it is possible. So it is possible. And this is the diagram. But this is not possible. Now, if it is not possible, you have to give the reason. If you cannot make triangles using all matchsticks, think reason. So reason is that the number of matchsticks required, is equal to number of sides should be equal to multiple of 3. Now this is called as boxed thinking, in which whatever has been asked to think, you are thinking. But if you are a little naughty and you think out of the box, you can break this 5 matchsticks. 1 matchstick you can break and it will become 6, and then you can do it. But then the matchstick will not be of same symmetry. Alright. So you can say that there is discrepancy in the question. So you can think naughty and think out of the box also. So if you are going to be a scientist, then you will think like that. But if you are going to become a topper, then you will think like this. Then you will do rote learning. Thank you.